Ever wondered how to master mathematics? Well, the first key to mastering mathematics is understanding the basics. It's like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? No, you'd start with the foundation. And in mathematics, the foundation is understanding the basics, the fundamental concepts that are the building blocks of all complex mathematical problems. So how do you ensure you understand these basics? You review, and review some more. Go through your class notes, textbooks, and any other resources you have at hand. Don't just read them, study them, digest them. Make sure you truly understand what they're saying. And remember, this isn't a race. It's okay to take your time to understand fully. It's better to move slowly but surely rather than rush and miss out on crucial information. Remember, a strong foundation paves the way for tackling more advanced mathematical concepts. Creating an effective study environment is crucial for mastering mathematics. To organize your study space, start by clearing out any unnecessary items. A clutter-free environment helps to keep the mind focused and reduces distractions. Next, gather all the materials you will need for your study session. This could include textbooks, notebooks, calculators, and any other relevant resources. Having everything within arm's reach prevents interruptions in your study flow, as you won't need to get up constantly to fetch items. Minimizing distractions is another key element. This could mean turning off your phone's notifications, choosing a quiet room, or using noise-canceling headphones if you're in a noisy environment. Remember, the goal is to create a space where your mind can concentrate solely on learning. Finally, ensure your study area is comfortable. A well-lit, ventilated space with a comfortable chair can make a significant difference in your study sessions. A comfortable and focused study space sets the stage for successful learning. Mathematics, like any other skill, improves with practice. Imagine it as a mental workout. The more you exercise, the stronger your math muscles become. Regular practice is crucial in reinforcing your understanding of the concepts you've learned. It's like building a house brick by brick. Each problem you solve adds another brick to your mathematical mansion. Now you might be wondering, but where do I start? Well, start with easier problems. These serve as the foundation, allowing you to get comfortable with the basics. Then, gradually progress to more challenging problems. This approach builds confidence and ensures you're not overwhelmed. Think of it like learning to play a musical instrument. You don't start by playing a complex symphony, do you? Instead, you start with simple notes and chords. Similarly, in mathematics, start simple, then move on to the harder stuff. In essence, practicing regularly not only reinforces your understanding, but also builds confidence. So, get out there, grab your math tools, and start practicing. Don't be afraid to seek clarification when needed. This is a vital aspect of mastering mathematics. If you're grappling with a concept and can't seem to get a grip, don't despair. Reach out to your teachers. They're there to help you, and they can often provide a different perspective or use a different teaching method that might make things click. Classmates, too, can be a great resource. They might explain the concept in a way that you can understand better, or they may be able to point out something you've overlooked. And let's not forget the wealth of resources available online. From educational websites to forums and YouTube channels, you can find numerous explanations and tutorials to help you understand tricky concepts. So, when in doubt, ask, seek to understand, because once you've got a firm grip on the basics, you'll find that more advanced topics become much easier to tackle. Remember, understanding the basics is crucial for tackling more advanced topics. In this digital age, technology can greatly enhance your learning experience. It's like having a private tutor right at your fingertips. The world of technology offers a plethora of applications, online platforms, and software explicitly designed to assist with mathematics. These resources can provide a more dynamic and engaging approach to learning, which can be particularly helpful with a subject as complex as math. Consider exploring apps that offer interactive lessons and practice problems. These tools can reinforce your understanding of concepts and provide instant feedback on your performance. Online platforms offer a vast array of resources, from video tutorials to step-by-step problem-solving guides. The power of visualization should not be underestimated either. Software that provides visual representations of mathematical concepts can significantly improve your understanding. Seeing abstract concepts come to life in a visual format can make them more tangible and easier to grasp. Leverage technology to make your learning experience more interactive and effective. One of the most effective ways to solidify your understanding is to teach others. This isn't just a saying, it's backed by science. Known as the protege effect, teaching others reinforces your own understanding and helps you identify gaps in your knowledge. Think about it. To explain a concept to someone else, you need to break it down into digestible parts. You need to articulate it clearly, using simple language. This process forces you to simplify complex ideas, making them easier to understand, so find a willing listener. It could be a fellow student, a family member, or even your pet. Explain the problem, walk them through the solution, and answer any questions they may have. Teaching others also helps you develop patience and empathy, qualities that are not only valuable in learning mathematics but also in life. Remember, when you're able to teach a concept, it means you've truly understood it. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering mathematics. Now let's delve into the importance of creating a study schedule. Think of your study schedule as a roadmap guiding you through the terrain of mathematical concepts. This isn't about cramming hours on end, but rather breaking study sessions into manageable time blocks. Consider dedicating specific days to different topics. Monday could be for algebra, Tuesday for geometry, and so on. This way, you're distributing your learning, allowing each topic the attention it deserves. In addition, include regular breaks in your schedule. Studies show that short breaks can boost productivity and keep your mind fresh. A study schedule also keeps you accountable. It's a commitment to your learning. It helps you avoid procrastination, and most importantly, it prevents the need for last-minute cramming. Remember, mathematics is a marathon, not a sprint. A consistent study schedule prevents last-minute cramming and promotes better understanding. With this, you're setting yourself up for success in your mathematical journey. Don't limit yourself to one source when it comes to learning mathematics. In this digital era, a plethora of resources are just a click away, making learning more accessible and dynamic than ever before. Traditional textbooks are excellent for structured learning, but don't stop there. Online tutorials offer interactive lessons that can help you visualize and understand complex concepts in a more engaging way. Moreover, video lectures can provide a classroom-like experience, enabling you to learn at your own pace, pause, rewind, and revisit the content as needed. Each resource offers a unique perspective, and the same mathematical concept can be explained in multiple ways. This diversity can be incredibly beneficial as it caters to various learning styles and preferences. Remember, understanding comes from exploration, so delve into different resources, engage with varied content, and expose yourself to a multitude of explanations. Multiple resources can provide varied explanations, deepening your understanding of mathematical concepts. Reviewing your notes and reflecting on your mistakes is a crucial part of the learning process. Let's dive a bit deeper into this. Picture this. You've just spent a good chunk of time solving a complex math problem, and you finally found the solution. It's tempting to move on to the next challenge, right? But hold on for a moment. Take the time to review your work. Ask yourself what worked, what didn't, what can I do better next time? This process of reflection allows you to understand the underlying reasons behind your mistakes. It helps you identify patterns, spot recurring errors, and ultimately, it guides you towards the right solutions in the future. This is not about dwelling on your mistakes, it's about learning from them. So make it a habit to regularly review your notes and solve problems. Reflect on your progress and your setbacks. Make adjustments. Keep refining your approach. Remember, learning from errors is a crucial part of the improvement process. Joining study groups can be greatly beneficial for mastering mathematics. This is because when you collaborate with peers, you expose yourself to a variety of thought processes and problem-solving methods. You may have approached a problem from one angle, but your study partner might offer a fresh perspective, illuminating a different path to the solution. Study groups also give you the opportunity to highlight alternative solution methods. This can be particularly beneficial in mathematics, where there is often more than one way to solve a problem. Exposing yourself to these alternative methods can enhance your understanding and flexibility in tackling different problems. Moreover, study groups create a supportive learning environment. The journey to mastering mathematics is not always smooth. It's filled with challenges that can sometimes feel overwhelming when faced alone. In a study group, you can share these challenges, lean on each other for support, and work together to overcome them. Study groups can provide a supportive and collaborative learning environment. Lastly, remember to stay positive and persistent. It's no secret that mathematics can be a challenging field. The problems can seem complex, the solutions elusive, and the theories, well, theoretical. But here's the thing, it's okay. It's okay to feel challenged. It's okay to stumble. It's okay to not understand something the first time around. What's important is that you keep going. Maintain a positive attitude and persist in your efforts. Celebrate the small victories. That problem you solved, that concept you finally understood, that improvement in your test score. Each small victory is a step forward. Learn from your mistakes, and instead of fearing them, approach them with curiosity and determination. They're not setbacks, they're opportunities for learning, for growth. So keep going, keep exploring, keep pushing. With a positive attitude and persistence, you're well on your way to mastering mathematics.